Hello everyone, welcome back to Educate Cube channel. In this video, we will cover what is Microsoft Power Platform. Microsoft Power Platform is a game changer in the world of business solution. A Microsoft Power Platform is a suite of tools that empowers you to build apps, automate workflows, analyze data, build website, and even create chatbots, all with minimal coding. Core tools include first one is Power BI, which helps to visualize and analyze your data with interactive reports. Second tool is Power Apps, which helps you build custom apps to meet your unique needs. Third tool is your Power Automate, which helps to automate repetitive tasks to save time. Fourth tool is your Power Virtual Agents, which helps to create chatbots to assist users without any programming. Fifth tool is your Power Pages, which helps to design and host secure low-code websites. And your last tool is your Dataverse, which helps securely store and manage data across all tools. We will cover what is Microsoft Power Platform with the help of an example. But before moving ahead, let's quickly understand what Power App is. Power App is a low-code tool in Microsoft Power Platform that allows you to create custom apps for your business without needing advanced programming skills. With Power Apps, you can design user-friendly apps tailored to your specific needs, implementing all business logic and helping you to solve problems, improve workflows, and increase productivity. Now, let me create a scenario. Suppose there is a retail manager who wants to track who wants to track store inventory. Our apps developer will build a Power App where employees can regularly update records such as how much inventory has been sold or returned due to damage. In short, all data inventory data will be stored in the database. A database could be Dataverse tables, Excel files, SharePoint, or any other system that supports real-time updates. The Power Apps developer creates an app with all the necessary business logic implemented. When the users begin utilizing the app, Power Apps developer also need a place to store the data. The Microsoft Power Platform provides Dataverse tables, which can handle millions of records. Whatever data user inputs into the app, it gets stored in the Dataverse tables, Excel file, or SharePoint list. Now let's assume that whenever a user enters data via Power App, they need to receive an email notification with all the relevant information. To achieve this, we use Power Automate. So, what is Power Automate and how does Power Automate help us? Power Automate is a tool in the Microsoft Power Platform that helps you automate repetitive tasks and process, saving time and reducing manual effort. It allows user to create process that connect apps and service both within the Microsoft ecosystem like Excel, SQL, SharePoint, and Teams, and with third-party apps like Google Drive or Slack. So now how Power Automate helps us? It helps us save time. For example, instead of manually sending email attachment to users, Power Automate can do it automatically. It reduces errors. Automating process ensures consistency and eliminating the mistakes that can happen with manual work. For example, sending invoices to clients automatically on a specific date. Third point is it enhances productivity. Power Automate frees up employees to focus on high value tasks instead of repetitive ones. For example, automatically remind team members about overdue tasks. Fourth point is it improves collaboration. Power Automate helps to automate notifications and updates to keep the team aligned. For example, notify a team in Microsoft Team application when a project status changes in the Dataverse table. Excel file, or SharePoint. Fifth point is Power Automate integrate systems. It bridges the gap between different application and system. For example, it syncs data between a CRM system like Dynamics 365 and an ERP system. Let's discuss Power Automate with an example. As mentioned earlier, a Power Apps developer built an app where users regularly update records via Power Apps, such as how much inventory has been sold or returned due to damage. All this data is stored in a Dataverse table. The new business requirement is that whenever a user updates the data via Power Apps, an email notification should be sent to the inventory manager about the update. To achieve this task, we use Power Automate, which helps automate repetitive tasks and process, saving time and reducing manual efforts. So far, we have understood what is Power Apps, what is Power Automate, and how these tools are used. Now, with everything aligned, stakeholders want to analyze the data. To achieve this, we will use Power BI. Now, what is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool from Microsoft that helps you visualize, analyze, and share data to make better decisions. It turns raw data into easy to understand reports and dashboard using interactive visuals. With Power BI, you can gain insights into your business operations, trends, and performance. The next step for the Power Platform developer is to create a Power BI dashboard. This dashboard will enable stakeholders to take actions based on the inventory data stored in the Dataverse table, turning the data into actionable insights and helping the team make smarter decisions faster. Now that we have understood what is Power Apps, what is Power Automate, and what is Power BI, let's explore another key component of the Microsoft Power Platform, which is Power Virtual Agents. Power Virtual Agents is a no-code tool that lets you build intelligent chatbots to automate conversation and assist users without requiring any technical expertise. These chatbots can answer questions, perform tasks, and interact with data across different platforms. Let's understand Power Virtual Agents with the help of an example. Let's build a earlier scenario of managing inventory for a retail store. A retail manager needs a quick solution for employees to check inventory levels or get updates on new stock arrivals without having to log on in the Power app. Now, the Power Virtual Agent developer will create a chatbot using Power Virtual Agents to assist employees with inventory sorry, with inventory queries. Okay, our virtual agent developer will set a chatbot functionality. Employees can ask questions like, "What is the current stock of product A? When will new stock for product B arrive?" The chatbot retrieves the data directly from the Dataverse table, where the inventory data is stored. Uh, our virtual agent developer will integrate the Power Automate. Suppose if the required action goes beyond the chatbot's built-in capabilities, for example, updating inventory records, the chatbot triggers Power Automate to perform the task. How Power Virtual Agent will benefit us? Employee get instant answers like saving, which helps in saving time and efforts. Inventory managers can ensure smoother operations by providing employees with easy access to critical information. By adding Power Virtual Agents, the Power Platform provides a complete, seamless solution for inventory management, enhancing productivity and ensuring all stakeholders can easily access the information they need. Now that we have understood what is Power Apps, what is Power Automate, what is Power BI, and what is Power Virtual Agents, let's explore another key component of the Microsoft Power Platform, which is Power Pages. So, what is Power Pages? Power Pages is a low code platform within Microsoft Power Platform that allows you to build secure, data driven websites. These websites can interact with your organization data, enabling external users like customers, partners, or vendors to engage with your business process easily and securely. Let's continue exploring Power Pages using the retail inventory management scenario. Suppose the retail manager needs a solution where external vendors can check stock levels, update shipment details, and track orders related to inventory. Instead of contacting the manager via calls or emails, vendors can access this information through a self-service website. Power Pages developer will create a website where vendors can log in securely, access inventory data relevant to them, update shipment details or expected delivery dates, view purchase order and invoices. Power Pages developer will also connect to Dataverse. The website will be integrated with Dataverse, where inventory data is stored. Vendors can see real-time stock levels, pending orders, shipment details pulled from the Dataverse. Power Pages developer will integrate with Power Automate as well, which help automate notification for key events. For example, when a vendor updates the delivery date on the portal, uh, automate sends an email notification to the inventory manager. So, what is the use of Microsoft Power Platform, or why should you use Power Platform? Simply, it helps you work smarter, not harder. Example, you need to track business performance. You will use Power BI. If you want a custom app for approvals or inventory, you will build a Power Apps. And if you are tired of a manual process, Power Automate will handle it. If you need a virtual assistant for customer inquiries, Power Virtual Agents will be used. Now that we have understood what is Power Apps, what is Power Automate, what is Power BI, what is Power Virtual Agents and Power Pages, let's explore another key component of the Microsoft Power Platform, which is Dataverse. At the heart of the Power Platform is Microsoft Dataverse, formerly known as Common Data Services or CDS. It is a secure and scalable data platform where all your data from apps, Dynamics 365, and Microsoft Azure can come together. Think of Dataverse as a centralized hub that makes it easy to connect and use your data seamlessly across tools like SharePoint, Dynamics 365, and Office 365. So, get an in-depth knowledge about of what is Dataverse, you can watch my previous video on Educate Cube channel, which is what is Microsoft Dataverse in Power Apps. Yeah, and lastly, we'll discuss extra features of Power Platform, which set apart. First one is connectors. Connectors are pre-built integration that allows you to connect your Power Platform apps like Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI to a wide range of external services, data sources, and applications. These connectors enable seamless data flow between different platforms. For example, imagine a retail company using Power Automate to streamline its workflow for inventory management. The company uses Microsoft Dataverse to track inventory levels and team applications for team communication. Power Automate can connect Dataverse and team using connectors. When the inventory drop, when the inventory drops below a certain threshold in Dataverse, Power Automate triggers an action. The connector for Dataverse helps retrieve the inventory data from Dataverse, and the connector for team sends an automatic notification to the team in team application, informing them of the inventory update. In this example, the connectors between Dataverse and team application make it easy for the retail team to track and communicate inventory changes automatically without manual intervention. Now, now the second extra feature of Power Platform is AI Builder. AI Builder is a feature within Power Platform that enables users to add artificial intelligence capabilities to their apps and workflows without writing any code. It allows users to leverage AI for tasks like form processing, object detection, prediction, and text recognition. For example, let's consider a Power Apps application for a retail store where employees scan products labels update inventory. The retail store wants to automate the process of identifying product information, for example, SKU, price, and description from scanned product labels. The AI builders can be used to train an object detection model, which detects and reads the information from the product label using the camera. When an employee scans a product label, the AI model automatically recognizes and extracts the product details like SKU, price, etc., and updates the inventory in real time. In this case, AI Builder adds object detection and image recognition capabilities to the Power Apps, allowing the store to automate data entry and improve efficiency without needing specialized AI knowledge. Summarizing the following said, connectors enable integration between various services and data sources like Dataverse, Excel, SharePoint, Team, and more, making it easy to automate tasks and connect different apps. AI Builder adds AI capabilities to your apps and workflows, helping automate tasks like data extraction, prediction, and object detection with no coding required. Together, connector and AI builders make the Power Platform even more powerful, helping business create smarter automated solutions. Learning Power Platform is an investment in your career and business. When you are whether you are a beginner or advanced user, mastering tools like Power BI, Power Apps, or Dataverse Power Platform can open up endless possibilities. So that's a quick overview of Microsoft Power Platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Educate Cube for more insight. Comment below what you will create with the Power Platform. Let's learn and grow together. Thank you, everyone. Let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye.